Model 2008 Peugeot Expert Tepee Comfort L2 HDI 120 and 5/6 seat simple fix Starstruck. Body blue, MPV. Mileage 85,132. MOT the 31st of August 2024. Engine 1997 CCDW10UTED4. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect, runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Rear air suspension has failed, needs repairing. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 2 former keepers, air con, electric windows. EU status: Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on